Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw a 45 degrees angle using just your protractor. So if you want to achieve that using a protractor, you first draw a horizontal line using your T-square or your meter rule. So now once you draw a horizontal line, you label this point up as your point A, and here is your point B. With the help of your protractor, you now place it properly using this as your reference line, and then the line will now intersect with 0. You now proceed and you now count 45 degrees. From this point to this point is 10, 20, 30, 40. So now the half of 40 here is your 45. So now once you now indicate at that point, using your meter rule, you draw a straight line from A, which is your origin, so the angle inclined at this point is your 45 degrees angle, and here is your point C. So this is how to construct 45 degrees angle using your protractor. If this is helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.